Welcome back to this video. In today's tutorial, we're going to show you on how to make video and photo higher resolution quality in WhatsApp. So let's begin. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial on how best to use WhatsApp. So with that being said, let's get started. So the very first thing you need to do is to head over to your WhatsApp. So just like so, I have my WhatsApp right here. So I'm going to click on here to open up my WhatsApp. After you open up your WhatsApp, next thing you need to do is to simply click on these three dots at the top right here. Then the next thing you want to do here is to simply navigate to settings right here. Then on getting to settings, next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down, and then you have to navigate to storage and data. Just like so. Then it takes you to this particular page. Simply scroll down. Right here, you have to click on media upload quality. Then at this point here, you have to switch from standard quality to higher quality. So click on that. Then having clicked on that, next thing you need to do is simply click on save. With that, your photo, video quality is going to be higher resolution each time you are sending it on WhatsApp. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial on how best to use WhatsApp. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Peace.